Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking to spruce up your outdoor area, these post caps from AEYANZZ are perfect. The caging is super elegant and classy, and then there's this really gorgeous cracked glass ball inside. Now, these are solar powered, so literally zero maintenance. They will turn off and on by themselves and charge up during the day in the sunlight. They have two settings, so you can have this nice warm white light, or you can switch it so that it cycles through these colored lights. So both give you a totally different vibe depending what you're going for. These will fit on both 4x4 or 6x6 posts. They go on really easily, comes with the hardware. You just screw it into your posts and you're ready to go. They're a nice, high quality post cap. It will absolutely change the look of your exterior space. What's more welcoming than gorgeous lights leading up to your front door? So if you're looking to add lighting, but also class and elegance to your outdoor space, definitely something you want to check out, and that's my point of view.